we are not pressing the recording. Okay, I forgot to press the recording. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. This is not a winner. This is a loser unboxing. Okay, I will not repeat the first. I have talked 30 minutes, but I forgot to press the record button. This is it. Look how cool it is. Oh, this is matte, this is glittering, and this is the dark part. I use that dark part for eyebrow, and this is quite bright. Let me see if this is a good color for my eyebrow. A little bit too red, right? A little bit too glittery. Whose eyebrow is glittering like this? I may need to add another color. Add my brow kit. So that is it. Now, yesterday I did a video of unboxing a big mushroom kind of scrunchie. Do I have it now? Yes, I have it. So you can see this is very big. It's kind of beautiful. It is beautiful, right? Big scrunchie. But it's actually not so useful, not so easy to use. When you tie a knot, it's just too big, I feel. It's kind of too big. So I was thinking, oh, I made a mistake in so quickly choosing something, not thinking a gazillion time and make a rough decision, make a random decision to buy it. Yeah, I will need to deal with it because I do not want to buy something new. Then I was thinking, there is something more important than self-blame, than trying to save the world without saving ourselves. If we buy one extra, that's not the end of the world, right? It's not the end of the world. It's important that I have the right fitting, just the right thing. Yeah, let me have a cup of tea. This is oolong tea, and yeah, it's part of our life that from time to time we spend a couple of dollars. We spend $5 on this, $5 on that. It's not the end of the world, right? If we do need to buy something, yeah, do not be too harsh on ourselves. So with that spirit, I bought this one. Let me see, where is my scissors? So I bought this one because comparing with this big, huge scrunchie. Oh, sorry. So here is the scrunchie. You see how big it is. It's bigger than my hand. It's very big, not so easy to use. Just clumsy, a big part. Well, sometimes you want to be a little bit pretty, but majority of time, you just want to be convenient and comfortable, right? So I bought this one today. I was thinking, yeah, between living in clumsy and always looking for scrunchies here and there, and I end up not finding any, and I use a rubber band. Yeah, I use something like a hairpin, a rubber band, very inconvenient. No, let me just buy a new one and solve the problem. Let's see how many we have. We have a lot of it. Why? Oh, it's bended here. So I got this one. I think we can open it up like this. And it feels so comfortable, so easy to use. And there are different colors. And I think this one, it goes with any clothes. This one I do not use. I do not use this bony tie. I will take it off. Let me try it. Maybe I will use it. It doesn't hurt, right? Maybe I can use it. Yeah, I can use it. So this one, it is very soft and fluffy. It is the fabric that has some of its own texture, have its own strength, so it stays up. The gold. It stays up, not bleh. Yeah, see, it expands, has its own texture, has its own volume. And this one, so it kind of goes with everything, right? If you wear some warm color, it's okay, like this and this. It will, you wear a red, a pink, and yellow, yeah, a green, this one can go with green, or something safe. A black can go with every and any color, right? Or a blue color. This can go with a blue color. Looks pretty okay. So I bought it. I'm happy with it. Okay, now we come back. So Doña Jimena came directly from España, from Barcelona. And Proveron de almendra, almond crunchy cake, and this one hojaldre. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you get the idea. And it's kind of a little bit dry. Which one do I choose? I have done the chosen. Oh, this one is broken. Okay, let's. Yeah, that's the chance has come. We eat the broken one. Give it a try. There is a very strong flavor of anise. It's like eating flour. Quite dry. Anyway, I will finish it, and just some random blah blah blah. And if there is anything I want to say, don't be too serious. You live a good life. That is more important than anything else. And try as much as possible live a life without overthinking, without over self-blaming, without over strict discipline. it's evening. If I eat this one piece of a cookie, I will become fat. No, don't think that way. It's okay. It's okay. And tomorrow morning you live one bite less. At the end of the day, you'll be okay. And life is about having fun, having some small enjoyment. If you can afford a $2, $3, this is $3, I think, a $4. If you can afford a $4 makeup, which also give you happiness and functionality, go for it, right? It's not the end of the world. Yeah, that's about it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.